Hello dear students, welcome back to mathematics class. We are discussing the fifth lesson, that is multiples and factors. Dear students, in previous videos you learned how to find the prime factors of the numbers by tree method, and in today's class we are going to discuss about how to find the prime factors of the number by division method. To find the prime factors there are two methods. One is tree method and one more is division method. In previous videos you learnt the tree method, and in today's class we are going to learn about prime division method. Okay, so here now let us revise tree method. Okay, in 2 minutes I will revise the tree method. So 30 and 45 is there. Tree method means you have to draw here branches like this. Then tell me 30 is there in which table? Yes, it is there in 2 15s are. Okay, it is there in 2 15s are 30 or 15 2s are 30, or you are writing 6 5s are 30. That is also correct. 6 5s are 30, that is also correct. And here I got one prime number and already 6 is there, that you write 2 and 3. No issues. See here, if you are solving like this is also correct. Okay, 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. You have to divide this number until you will not get the prime numbers. Then what are these prime numbers? Prime number means a number which has only two factors, one and the number itself. Okay, so here 2 3 5 7 9 11 13 17 19 and 23, they all are what? Prime numbers. So we want the answer in that forms, means 2 3 5 7 9 like that. So here finally I got 2 3 5 as the answer, and 2 3 5 are all the prime numbers. Okay, so if you are solving this type, this is also correct. Okay, so next I will take here. So I will solve this example. 2 15s are 30. Next you take here 3 5s are 50. 3 5s are 15. So this the factors of 13 are 2 into 3 into 5. I will write here 2 into 3 into 5. So let us check our answer is correct or wrong. So see here, 5 3s are 15 and 15 2s are 30. So my tree method is correct. So the 13's prime factors are 2, 3 and 5. Let us move to one more example, and that is 45. So I will take here 5 9s are. Take here directly 5 9s are 45. 5 9s are 45, and here I got one prime number. Stop it. So 9 is a composite number. Again you divide this as a 3 into 3. So 3 3s are 9. Okay, so therefore you write here 45 is equal to 5 into 3 into 3. So let us check whether it is correct or wrong. 5 3s are 15, 15 3s are 45. So here I got 45 as a answer. Clear? Then see here, this is all about yesterday's class. Then what about in today's class? In today's class we are going to learn about division method. Division method. So see how we are going to solve this example. Division method. Here also we are going to find the prime factors, but by division method. Okay, methods are different. So I will take here one easy example, and that is 8. So here you have to draw one line. See here 8 is there. 8 is there in which table? It is there in 4 2s are 8 also, but I can't take here 4 directly because 4 is a composite number. So we have to check from prime numbers. Yes, 2 is also a prime number, so it is there in 2 1s are table also. So right here 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. Dear student, this is completely new for you people. Before solving this example, solve whichever examples are solved by me. Next here 2 4s are 8. Next you take here 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. Next here you take 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. Therefore the prime factors of 8 are 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, so this type you have to write. Next here I will take 48. 48. So divide here number. Next see here, take here 2 is there. So already I told divisibility rules. See here 8 is there means that number is divisible by what? 2. So right here 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8 means 2 24s are 48. Next again you take here 2, 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Next you take 2, 2 6s are 12. Next 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. See here 2 24s are 48, 2 12s are 24, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. So here the prime factors of 48 are, and they are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Here 2 repeated 4 times, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so here the prime factors are 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. We have to how you are going to understand whether it is correct or wrong? By multiplying. If you got the same answer whichever the question is there, no, then you are going to understand, means you come to know whether it is correct or wrong. Okay, so next I will solve one more example, and that is 56. 56. Okay, 56, and take here 2 2s are 4 and here 1 remain, 2 8s are 16. If you have a confusion here, divide with 56, divide like this, 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Again you take here 6 down. 2 8s are 16. 6 minus 6 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So this quotient you have to write here if you are getting confusion. Okay. So 2 28s are over. Next again you take 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 2 4s are 8. No matter, it means if you are not understanding, take this 28 and divide with 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. Again you take this 8 down, 2 4s are 8. Okay, 8 minus 8 is 0. You have to practice like this until you will not understand correctly. Okay, so 2 14s are, next here again it is there in 2 1s are table, 2 7s are, 7 1s are. So right here 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. So the prime factors of 56 are this. Okay, next I will take one more example from your my practice time 4, and that is 63. Then see here in 1's place 3 is there means that number is not divisible by 2. So take here 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Next 3 7s are 21, 7 1s are 7. If you are not understanding, divide 63 by 63 divided by 3, you will get 21 as a answer. You do how I said in before example. So take here 60 is equal to 3 into 3 into 7. Okay, I hope you are getting my point. Dear students, here you have here more than 6 examples. Solve that all the examples neatly. Before solving this exercise, no, solve these examples, whichever examples are solved by me. So let us take one more example. Next here 55 is there, 55. Then how to solve this 55? Yes, 55 is there in 5 1s are table. Then how to write this? 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. Next you take directly 11 because 11 is a prime number. 11 1s are 11. So 55 is equal to 11 into 5 into 11. Okay, dear students, in this class I taught how to find the prime factors by division method. There are two methods. One is tree method and one more is division method. While solving this example, solve whichever the examples are solved by me, then you go through the my practice time examples. So here exercise 138, exercise my practice time 4 is completed, and I have solved all the examples from page number 138. Solve neatly and send it to my WhatsApp number. I hope this class is clear to you. Thank you.